up? So for this video, I'm going to be showing you guys my glow up routine. I'm just going to show you guys how I go from this to this. And just so you guys know, I do not do this routine every single day. This is definitely on days where I just want to look nicer, but days where I have 7:30 classes, I literally roll out of bed, maybe get dressed, and head out the door. Hopefully you guys enjoy this video. If you do, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button down below if you're new. And with all that being said, let's just get started with the video. So I already washed my face, I exfoliated, moisturized, all that good stuff. Now I'm just gonna prime my skin. I have this little sample of a Smashbox primer, so we're just gonna use that. Let's get the hair out of the face and let's prime. I try not to rub a lot on my skin because that creates flakes. I'm literally a flaky roll in the wintertime because my skin is so dry. So for foundation, I've been using the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow foundation. To blend that, obviously, my beauty blender. This one is huge. Look at the size of this. So yeah, my skin has been pretty good recently, which I'm very happy about. Don't like wearing foundation every single day. It just takes so long to blend and make look good. I will say I do like how this foundation does not look cakey at all. It's just very natural coverage. And now I'm going in with my favorite concealer. This is the Maybelline Age Rewind. But basically I just put it on top of my eyes and underneath. Sorry for my makeup faces. I know they're probably so pretty. And I'm just gonna put some on my nose and my chin. So I'm just blending that all in. This is my favorite concealer ever. It just brightens my under eyes so well. I love it. I'm obsessed. Next, this is one of my new favorite products. So this is the Kat Von D Shade and Light Contour Palette. So I actually use a beauty blender with this. I saw a makeup tutorial and she used a beauty blender, and ever since then. So I just dampened my beauty blender and then I just tap it in the lightest shade and I just pat that under my eyes. And honestly, this is the best powder for setting my under eye concealer ever. It doesn't crease, it brightens under my eyes and just looks so good. And then I put a little on the bridge of my nose and the high points and everything. And then I use the other side of my beauty blender to dip in the contour shade actually. I just pat that along where my contour would normally go, just to kind of define my cheekbones a little bit. And then I put a little bit up here and around my hairline and everything. Once you learn how to contour, your makeup will look so much better. You don't even have to be good at contouring, but if you do this, this is now a crucial step in my makeup routine. So I just contour my nose a little bit, literally just bronzing up my face a little. Kind of blend it around my neck just so we match and everything, you know? Just get it all over your clothes and your bralette. That's a really cute look too. And then I just kind of go like this and just blend everything. I don't like to look too defined, just like to look natural and cute, you know? That's my look. If you want to glow up your makeup routine, this is a game changer, so would definitely recommend this. So I'm not a huge blush person, but I do like to add a little bit just to add a little bit of color into my face. So I'm just using a Tarte Amazonian Clay blush, and I just use a big brush from IT Cosmetics and kind of just put that on the apples of my cheeks and blend up. And now onto the favorite step of any girl's makeup routine, highlight. This is a Becca highlight, so I use the shade Vanilla Quartz. It's just a little mini one, and I actually dropped it yesterday, but the product fell out of the pan, so there's loose product everywhere, which is so sad. I just apply this to the top of my cheekbones. I love a good highlight. I just love glowing. It's my favorite. This is my favorite part. On my nose. It's so simple, but it makes the world of a difference. But I literally add so much to my nose because I just love a good nose highlight. If you want to glow up, glowing, that's the best way to do that. So now we are moving on to the most crucial step in my makeup routine recently, and that is the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Powder. Ever since Kenzie Elizabeth has been raving about this, I had to buy it. Honestly, not really sure what this product does, but my makeup always looks so good when I use this product. I don't know. I don't understand at all. Basically, this is just a finishing powder, so it's not a setting powder, but it's just gonna add a subtle little glow to your skin. This stuff like fills in your pores kind of and makes you look airbrushed. It's basically like you're wearing a Snapchat filter all day long. So I'm so obsessed with this. I can't do my makeup routine without this anymore. Thank you, Kenzie Elizabeth, for ruining my life. But there's two products that I've been using for my eyebrows recently. This one is the e.l.f. pomade. I found this at Walmart. It's kind of like the Anastasia one, but this one was like $3. But I did get a sample of the Anastasia Brow Wiz, which is this little baby thing here, and I've been really loving this for like just quick and easy and natural brows. This is what we're gonna go with today. So I have to make like really weird faces to make my eyebrows go in all different directions so I can fill them in. Now I'm just going to brush through the brow pencil. Also, sorry for all of the noise. There are so many people over at my house right now. So now moving on to eyeshadow. I've really been loving my IT Cosmetics palette recently. I'm gonna go for like an orangey, warm color. I just kind of blend it into my crease with a big fluffy brush. So now I'm using like a really orangey color and I'm just kind of putting that in my outer corner. So now that this is very, very orange, I'm gonna take a tiny bit of a dark brown and put that just on the outer. I'm not that great at eyeshadow, but all you have to do is just take colors and blend them. That's it. Blending, that's the key. I really like eyeshadow because it makes me look like I am way better at makeup than I actually am. And then I like to take like a shimmery white kind of color and just put it on the center of my eyelid and on the inner corners of my eye. And now mascara. You guys probably know that the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara is my favorite mascara in the whole entire world. So to recreate that like lash extensions kind of look, wiggle your brush through your eyelashes and just gotta take the tip of your mascara brush and go over. This is my little life hack for you guys that I use all the time, but if you have another mascara that's pretty dried out, you just take the wand and you brush it through your eyelashes after you applied a bunch of mascara and it will get rid of so many of the clumps and just help create the look of really like natural looking eyelashes that are crazy. I don't like to wear eyeliner, so I just apply it really close to my lash line. And then another trick with your eyelashes, you just kind of take your fingers and go like this. For lips today, what am I feeling? The Too Faced Melted Lipstick in Queen Bee. And the last and final step of my makeup routine is setting spray. This stuff has changed my life. So out of all of the products that I love, that I recommend, this is number one. This is the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. This stuff literally makes your makeup stay on your face for hours and not even budge whatsoever. So I like to do a generous amount of spritz. So that is it for my video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you want me to do more like chit chat, get ready with me's, definitely let me know because they are honestly some of my favorite videos to film. Also, you should definitely let me know what other kind of videos you want to see in the upcoming months. If you guys liked this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you're new, hit that subscribe button down below to join the fam. And I believe that is everything. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, I love you.